Hello dear guys, welcome back to English Guru. Today, we talk about how to learn English with the help of AI. Let's start.
Learning to speak English has never been easier, thanks to AI. Imagine having a personal tutor available 24/7, ready to help you practice anytime. With AI-powered apps, you can engage in real conversations, receive instant feedback on your pronunciation, and even get suggestions to improve your vocabulary. These tools use advanced algorithms to adapt to your learning style, making each session unique and tailored just for you. Plus, many of them incorporate gamification, turning practice into a fun challenge. You can compete with friends or track your progress, which keeps motivation high. And let's not forget the power of AI in simulating real-life scenarios. Whether you're ordering coffee or negotiating a deal, you can practice those situations in a safe environment. So, dive in, embrace the technology, and watch your English speaking skills soar. When it comes to learning English speaking, choosing the right AI can make all the difference. One standout option is Duolingo. Its gamified approach keeps you engaged while practicing real conversations. Another great choice is Rosetta Stone, which immerses you in the language, helping you think in English rather than just translating. If you prefer a more interactive experience, try ELSA Speak. It uses voice recognition to give you instant feedback on your pronunciation, making it feel like you have a personal tutor. For those who enjoy a structured approach, Babel offers tailored lessons that focus on practical dialogue. Each of these AIs has unique strengths, so the best one really depends on your learning style. The key is to stay consistent and have fun with it.